Hey skincare lovers! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share some easy DIY skincare tips you can try at home. Trust me, these are going to transform your skin without breaking the bank. Ready? Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about cleansing. Did you know you can make an amazing cleanser with just honey and lemon? Yep, that's right. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with a few drops of lemon juice. Honey is a natural antibacterial, and the lemon helps brighten your skin. Just massage it onto your face. Leave it on for 5 minutes and rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel super soft and clean. Next, let's hydrate. For a fantastic DIY moisturizer, you can whip up a simple blend of aloe vera gel and coconut oil. Use 2 parts aloe vera gel to 1 part coconut oil. Aloe vera soothes the skin, while coconut oil locks in moisture. Apply this blend after cleansing, and your skin will feel hydrated and nourished. Now, who doesn't love a good face mask? Let's make an oatmeal and yogurt face mask. Combine 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps to gently exfoliate your skin, and oatmeal is perfect for calming any irritation. Apply this mask evenly on your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin will thank you. For exfoliating, you can create a simple sugar scrub. Mix 1 part olive oil with 2 parts brown sugar. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, and brown sugar is a gentle exfoliator. Gently scrub your face in circular motions, then rinse off with warm water. This will leave your skin looking fresh and glowing. Lastly, let's not forget about the lips. You can make a wonderful lip scrub with a teaspoon of honey and a teaspoon of granulated sugar. Mix them together, gently rub on your lips, and rinse off. Follow up with your favorite lip balm, and you'll have smooth, kissable lips in no time. There you have it. Easy DIY skincare tips you can try right at home. Remember, consistency is key, so make these part of your regular routine. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wellness from home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.